We're making peach cobbler with lots of protein using protein-enriched pancake mix. You need 3 peaches, protein, pancake mix, nutmeg, and honey. You're going to first slice your peaches, bake them in an air fryer or in an oven. Then you're going to add 2 cups in a bowl with your protein mix and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Add 1 cup of water and then 1/2 cup of honey or maple syrup. Then you're going to stir that really well. Pour that over your baked peaches. Make sure you cover the peaches very well. Preheat your oven at 375 degrees. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes until golden brown. And now you have a protein-enriched fruit peach cobbler for breakfast or for snack or dessert. Enjoy!